Fraction, percent, decimal. Video 2. All problems. This interactive video will contain 4 problems in conversion from fractions to decimals and percents. You will be provided with the answer on each slide after placing the pen back in the tray. Please have a student come up to the smartboard right now and we will go to problem 1. Problem 1. Just like in the previous videos, you'll know we've provided you with one of the numbers. You must come up with a fraction or decimal or percent, whichever one is missing. When you pick up a pen, the video will pause until you place the pen back in the tray. Once you've done that, we will provide you with the answer. Please pick up a pen now. Okay, here are the answers. For the first one, for 16%, you should have the fraction of 4 over 25 and the decimal equivalent of 0.16. For the second one, for the fraction of 1625, you should have had the decimal equivalent of 0.64 and the percent of 64%. And for the last one, for the decimal of 0.80, you should have 80% and the fraction of 4/5. Please pick up an eraser and erase the screen and have another student come up for problem 2. Thank you. Okay, problem 2. We should have 1, 2, or we may have 3 students come up to the smartboard. Please remember, when you pick up a pen, the video will pause until you place the pen back in the tray. Now, we need for you to figure out what the equivalent is for fraction, decimal, and percent with the empty spaces. Please pick up a pen now. Okay, let's see if you have the same answer that we have. You'll notice we have the fraction, 1 over 10. We have the decimal, 1/10, 10%, 3/4, 75 hundredths, and 75%, 7/10, and 7/10, and then 70%. Hopefully your answers match ours. If they do, outstanding. Please pick up an eraser and erase the screen, and we'll go to the next problem. Thank you. Problem 3, just like problem 2. We may have 1, 2, or 3 students come up to the board and figure out the fraction, decimal, and percent that's missing. Remember, when you pick up a pen, the video will pause until you place a pen back in the tray. Please pick up a pen now. Okay, let's see what we have here. The first one is a fraction, 7 over 50, 14 hundredths, 14%. Then we have 3 over 10, 3/10, 30%. And we have 1/5, 2/10, and 20%. If your answers matches are outstanding. Please pick up an eraser and erase the board, and we'll have somebody come up again for the last problem, problem 4. Thank you. There should be a new student up here for the last problem, problem 4. Just as what was previously done, when you pick up a pen, figure out the answers for the first, second, and third one, whichever number is missing. Place the pen back in the tray and we will provide you with the correct answer. Please pick up a pen now. Okay, for the first one, you should have percent of 25%, decimal equivalency of 0.25, and a fraction of 1/4. For the next one down, for the decimal equivalency of 0.333, you should have a percentage of 33.3% and the fraction of 1/3. And for the last one, you should have, for the fraction of 1/8, you should have the decimal equivalent of 0.125 and the percent of 12.5. Please erase the screen and thank you for working with us.